Found two spots on my Louis Vuitton Capucines bag. Realized I needed to use the services of leather surgeons again. I made contact and started the process. I took photos of my bag and I requested insurance for them. They sent me the label, so I got a box and started packing up. I used the form that they send where you request what services you want for your bag and got that all set up. I absolutely trust them with my designer bags and my leather goods, and I follow the steps that they say about not using cleaner on your bags. Fill everything out, get it into a nice box. There she is, all wrapped up and ready to go with bubble wrap because I'm a bad bag mama. So yeah, she needed first class treatment and follow up to come.